Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to disable notifications from specific websites on the Google Chrome app. If you're tired of getting alerts from certain sites but still want notifications from others, this method is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Once you're in, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those dots to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can control different features. Next, find and tap on Notifications. This section manages how Chrome sends alerts to your device. Make sure that Allow Notifications is turned on. This is important because if it's turned off, you won't receive any notifications at all. And we want to manage specific sites only. After that, tap on Notification Categories. Here, you'll see a breakdown of different types of notifications, including the websites that are allowed to send you alerts. Now, scroll down until you find the Sites section. This is where all the websites that have permission to send notifications are listed. Look through the list and find the specific site you want to stop notifications from. Once you find it, simply toggle it off, and that's